Hello there, and welcome to Jaycar's Maker Hub at Home. My name is Darren, and today I'm going to show you 5 easy things you can do to keep your 3D printer happy. Number 1. When changing the filament, always extrude some first before retracting it. This will help keep the nozzle clear. Number 2. Always allow the hot end to cool down before turning the power off. This will keep the fans running and prevent the heat from creeping up and affecting the filament that's in the PTFE tube. Number 3. Keep the base of your 3D printer clear of dust and filament debris. This will prevent the dust and debris from getting into the switches and grease. Number 4. Frequently clean the guide rods and lead screw and replace the grease. This will prolong the life of the rods and bearings. And finally, number 5. Don't be afraid to reach out if you're unsure of anything and need some help. So there you have it, 5 easy things you can do to keep your 3D printer running smoothly and minimize wear and tear. As always, please like, comment and subscribe, and let us know if there's a video you'd like to see.